Islamic Republic of Pakistan, known as Islami Jamhuriya Pakistan. Why was Pakistan created? Pakistan was created to establish an Islamic society having its own identity and government, where we can live in harmony to practice our own social principles and religion freely. Two great personalities were behind the creation of Pakistan, land of the pure. Born in 1877, Allama Iqbal, an Islamic honorary title given to Sir Muhammad Iqbal, a poet, philosopher, educationist, lawyer, and more. Iqbal believed that Muslims of India have their separate identity. It was through the mighty pen that he was known as the spiritual leader. Planting thoughts in the masses facilitated them in releasing their strength to overcome weaknesses and motivated the Muslims of India to fight for their separate homeland. अफराद के हाथों में है अक़वाम की तकदीर, अफराद के हाथों में है अक़वाम की तकदीर, हर फर्द है मिल्लत के मुक़द्दर का सितारा. His words changed the destiny of the Muslims in India. He entered into politics for this cause and marked the historic achievement by articulating the concept of Pakistan in 1930.
Muhammad Ali Jinnah, born on 25th December 1876. He was a barrister, politician and the founder of Pakistan. Known as Quaid-e-Azam, great leader, and Baba-e-Qaum, father of the nation. He had fought relentlessly for the integral rights of the Muslims for an honourable existence in the subcontinent. He was the reason for the birth of the Muslims' spectacular rise to nationhood. His ceaseless efforts made Muslims rise and fight for their homeland. In Jinnah's last message, the foundations of your state have been laid, and it is now for you to build, and build as quickly and as well as you can. So with faith, discipline and selfless devotion to duty, there is nothing worthwhile that we cannot achieve. So just how difficult was it to lay these foundations? In 1906, Muslim League was founded to safeguard the rights of the Muslims. On October 1, 1906, the first Muslim delegation, consisting of 36 Muslim leaders, met the Viceroy of India at Simla. There they presented the demand of a separate state for the Muslims. Prior to the division of India in 1947, Muslims and Hindus had lived together across the country. But Jinnah described them as two separate nations. It is a dream that the Hindus and Muslims can ever evolve as a common nationality, he said.
The creation of Pakistan and India prompted the biggest mass migration in human history. The Muslims who were scattered across India and Hindus and Sikhs who were in Pakistan desperately tried to make it to the other side of the border. A tsunami of violence erupted and hundreds of thousands never made it. हजारों फूल से चेहरे झुलस के खाक हुए, हजारों फूल से चेहरे झुलस के खाक हुए, भरी बहार में इस तरह अपना बाग जला. As the Great Migration drew to a close, more than 15 million people had been uprooted, and between 1 and 2 million were dead.
Sayyid Amir-ud-Din Qadwai is the designer of the Pakistani flag, based on the original flag that was used in the All India Muslim League, but without the vertical white bar. Now the white colour represents the minorities, and green the Muslim majority in Pakistan. Crescent represents progress, and the star light and knowledge. Independence Day is a public holiday in Pakistan, and the first anniversary of independence was of great importance. Faith, unity and discipline is the national motto of Pakistan, introduced after independence.
Today, the land of pure is truly magnificent in every sense of the word. A place to call home, a country that has breathtaking landscapes and mind-blowing sceneries. खुदा करे कि मेरी अर्ज़ पाक पर उतरे वो फसले गुल जिसे अंदेशाए ज़वाल ना हो.
Pakistan is captivating. You have the beaches and the lush green pillows concealing the breathtaking waterfalls, a land which is a canvas for serene beauty. our country is immersed in the magnificence of Mother Nature, unmatched, exotic locations that will leave you gratified and stunned. We also home the most amazing archaeological sites, forts, shrines, tombs, monuments, and places of worship. Our heritage and culture presented everywhere. Need you visit anywhere else?
Azadi, freedom, being free. As individuals of this country, we have to appreciate and value what our ancestors did for us. The history of how Pakistan was created should be in our minds and give us hope for the future. वल्लाह के ये मुल्क के खुदादाद रहेगा, आज़ाद था, आज़ाद है, आज़ाद रहेगा. We are free to live according to our religion. Our dress, speech, practices are all possible because of Pakistan. Think of all those who can only dream of being free. Those who even today fight for their rights. Voices silenced by those in power. 14th August, a day to reflect the sacrifices and contributions made. दिल से निकलेगी न मर कर भी वतन की उल्फत, दिल से निकलेगी न मर कर भी वतन की उल्फत, मेरी मिट्टी से भी खुशबुए वफा आएगी. Independence Day. Independence Day is when we actually go over the history. How can we forget the extent of violence and killings that took place to achieve the soil we so freely stand on? How is it possible to let go of the immense sacrifices made by the people? How is it possible to let go of the contributions made by our legends? Learn about your history. Try to contemplate the atrocities that people went through to achieve our beloved land, Pakistan.
Learn about history. Try to contemplate the atrocities that people went through to achieve Pakistan. The scale of loss can never be forgotten. Even today, our country is full of individuals who have given up their lives to protect this soil, protect their brothers. And then those innocent souls, the little angels that knew no wrong but snatched away from us all, caught up in war and politics. Acknowledge the people who have contributed to the stability of our country and are helping it progress further, building a secure country for generations to come.
The true essence of Pakistan is that we are all one. We are secure. Our country is filled with love and brotherhood. Whether we are a Punjabi, Sindhi or Balochi, we are all still Pakistani. No matter where we are in the world, we are still one. The love, security and beauty will surely magnify when we are far away from our beloved land.
It is imperative to transmit the spirit of freedom to our youth. Apprise them about the vision set by our great heroes. Be proud of your identity. Keep your country clean and play your part as an active citizen. Appreciate our country, the people and beauty. Just look at all those who have visited from around the world and are enthralled by our magical places, local food and our rich heritage and culture. Promote Pakistan and let others see for themselves what we are about. So let's celebrate. Every year around the country we have had government-held parades, air shows and fireworks. Official dignitaries and heads of state visit the mausoleum of the founding father of Pakistan in Karachi to pay their respects. Buildings, malls, streets and houses are brightly lit and the whole country comes together to rejoice. Clothes are worn in national flag colours, sweets are distributed. But this year is different. Massive celebrations are not expected and many events are cancelled. Why not decorate the house still? Watch patriotic movies and listen to the songs. Dress up and take pictures. Organise fireworks in your own house. Wave the flags from your rooftops and connect with your neighbours. Join your community and plant a tree so Pakistan can be clean and green.
I want us all to join hands and build on the visions and dreams set by our Qaid and Allama Iqbal. फर्द कायम रब्त मिल्लत से है तन्हा कुछ नहीं, फर्द कायम रब्त मिल्लत से है तन्हा कुछ नहीं, मौज है दरिया में और बैरूने दरिया कुछ नहीं. Let us not make Independence Day a yearly celebration. The meaning, importance, reflection and progression of our country should be part of our everyday life. We should all unite and strive to represent ourselves as one nation to the rest of the world. Let's be Pakistani, our founders and heroes would be proud of. Pakistan, Zindabad.